In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record a snap without them knowing. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device and sign in to your account. And here, go ahead and head over to the messages section. And on the messages section, go ahead and open the snap that someone sent to you. Once you try taking a screenshot of the snap, Snapchat will be able to detect you taking a screenshot of the snap. Now, once you head over to your conversation with this individual, you'll be able to find the you took a screenshot text that you and the individual that you're talking to can see. So to be able to take a screen recording of a snap without the other person knowing, the first thing that you'll need to do is to turn off your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and set your device to airplane mode. Now go ahead and head back to Snapchat and head back to the conversation where you want to screenshot a snap or take a screen recording of a snap. Now go ahead and take a screen recording or a screenshot of the snap. After you take a screen recording or a screenshot of this snap, go ahead and uninstall Snapchat on your device. Now, to be able to uninstall Snapchat on your device, what you'll need to do is to head over Snapchat's app info. And here, go ahead and click on the uninstall button, which you'll find at bottom middle of your screen. After uninstalling Snapchat, go ahead and turn on your internet connection and download Snapchat again on your device. And this will prevent Snapchat from detecting the activity that you've made while your device is on airplane mode. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.